Can you promise me I won't get, like, messed up?
Taliban can't touch this.
If you ever catch me in some sort of, like, dopey group therapy, you have permission to kill me.
So we're all here? Who wants to start?
My name is Merritt, deployed to Afghanistan in 2016.
Okay. Aren't we better than this? Than this woe is me? Ouchie, my feelings. Let's get out of here.
Be quiet.
Merritt? Everything okay?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Grandpa, I've been dealing with some things.
That's what a soldier does. You suck it up.
First platoon said there's a sniper out there.
You think I'm scared?
Where are you going? Zoe!
You can't tell anyone. Burl. Damn, what a name.
Don't say that.
What? I can joke about the dead. These are my people.
Hey,
I didn't think, have you ever played Buck Hunter?
no.
That's a new record.
Well, damn.
Yeah, I'm crazy enough to say I'm crazy enough to shed my blood for you.
You think I'm crazy? Your mother thinks I'm crazy. But as long as you're under my roof, paper goes in goddamn six.
I would think seriously about what living in the past is worth.
Why would you re-enlist?
The world is not my oyster.
You think the world is my oyster? I'm a black woman in America.
With a lake house.
It's my grandparents' lake house. It is.
Oh, shut up.
It's the power